screen flickering issues can be pretty minor, or it can be a sign of a more serious display-related problem. There are also times when it's just due to some app-related issues. However, if the problem is with the firmware, then you will have to do some more complicated troubleshooting procedures to be able to get rid of the problem. In this video, we will show you how to fix the Galaxy Note 20 screen flickering issue after the Android 11. First solution: close apps running in the background. It's possible that there are already a lot of apps that run in the background. If that's the case, those apps might be the reason why your Note 20 is experiencing such an issue. So, you need to close them and see if the problem will be fixed. Here's how. Tap the Recent Apps key to view the apps. Tap Close All to force close all of them. After the procedure, try to see if the problem is fixed. If not, follow the next procedure. Second solution: force restart your device. If the flickering started without apparent reason or cause, then the next thing you should do is the forced restart. It's possible that the phone's memory just needs to be refreshed because there are times when some glitches occur and affect the device's processes. Here's how it's done. Press and hold the volume down button and the power key at the same time for 10 seconds or more. This will trigger the phone to shut down and power back up. Once the logo appears, release both keys and wait until your phone has finished rebooting. After the reboot, use your Samsung Galaxy Note 20 as you normally would to see if the screen flickering still occurs. If it still does, then move on to the next solution. Third solution: run your phone in safe mode. If the issue still occurs after doing the previous solutions, then try disabling all third-party applications by running your phone in safe mode, and then, try using the camera and see if the issue occurs. Here's how you restart your device into the safe mode. Swipe down from the top of the screen, and then tap the power icon. Tap and hold the power off option until it turns into the safe mode icon. Tap safe mode and wait as your Note 20 reboots. Once it has finished rebooting, you will notice that there's text on the lower left corner that says safe mode. Now launch the camera and see if the error still shows up. However, if the problem is still happening on your Galaxy Note 20 after the procedure, then, follow the next solution. Fourth solution: reset the settings of your device. It is also possible that such a problem is due to some settings. You need to rule out this possibility before moving on to other solutions. Thus, you need to reset all the settings on your Samsung Galaxy Note 20. It's like doing the factory reset, only that none of your files and data will be deleted. It's safe and effective. Here's how it's done. Swipe down from the top of the screen and tap the gear icon, or simply tap the icon from the app drawer. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen to find General Management and tap on it. Select Reset to view other reset options. Look for Reset Settings and tap on it. Tap the Reset Settings button and if prompted, enter your security lock. Tap the Reset button to proceed. After doing this procedure, immediately check if the issue is fixed. Fifth solution: factory reset your Note 20. After doing the previous solutions and your Samsung Galaxy Note 20's display still flashes or flickers, then you have no other choice but to reset it. As long as it's not a problem with the hardware, you should be able to fix it using this procedure. This covers everything on your device, so even if the problem is with an app, it will still be fixed by this. But before you actually reset your phone, make sure to create a backup of your important files and data, as they will be deleted. When ready, follow these steps to reset your Galaxy Note 20. Swipe down from the top of the screen and then tap the settings icon. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen to find General Management, and tap on it. Tap Reset. This will show you the different types of resets you can do. Tap Factory Data Reset. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen and tap Reset. If prompted, enter your security lock. Tap the Delete All button, and then enter the password of your Google account that you use on your phone. Tap OK to proceed with the reset. After the reset and the screen flickering still occurs, then you need to have it checked. Depending on how the flickering started, you may get a replacement. We hope that this troubleshooting has been able to help you. Please support us by subscribing to our channel and enable the notification. Thanks for watching.